Hi everyone, this is Amber with Metaverse Make, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the textured grips for the Oculus Quest 2 controllers. So whenever you get your package in the mail, you should have two textured grips. I have one of them out right here. Whenever you take them out of the package, they should look something like this. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to completely deassemble this by just pressing in this button and removing it from the paracord. Now you'll want to unfeed the paracord through the controllers to completely get it off. So now I'm going to be installing this on the Oculus Quest controller. This is for the right-hand controller. However, the process is the same for the left-hand controller. You'll just be using the second grip. So you want to get the textured grip and set it down. And what you want is you want this top piece angled towards you. So I'm going to put my controller in here. I'm going to push down on it so it fits snugly. So now I'm going to get this piece of paracord and I'm going to feed it through this back hole right here. After doing that, I'm going to feed this through here and then simply just hook it over this part of your controller, and then I'll feed it through this second hole. So essentially what this does is it just secures your grip to the controller. These controllers are made to be installed in this way as to reduce strain on this part so it's less likely to break. So now what you'll want to do is you want to take this piece and you'll want to feed the cord through this part. So the cord should be on the outside or the colored part of this part. And now you'll just feed them again through the bottom holes. And you may have to twist them a little to get them fed through. So now what you'll do is you'll find that there are holes on the bottom of this controller grip. So you'll simply just feed the cord through these holes. So there's one, and then here's the second one. So now what you'll do is you'll take this button, you'll push it in, and then simply feed the two cords through the button. So now you'll have your textured grips installed on your Oculus Quest controller, and you could adjust this however you like to make this tighter or looser as you see fit on your hand. So if you have any questions or concerns about this product, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.